Hey guys, my name is Maria and welcome to another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be making my first attempt at a vlog. Of course, it's not going to be the best quality, but it's my first attempt and I hope you guys enjoy it. So this first vlog is actually of this past Sunday when we made a trip to our favorite bird store that is half an hour away from us in Batavia, Illinois, called Bird is the Word. We have been there many, many times, and I thought that it would be fun to share with you guys what a great store it is. We love it because it is just a really family feel, and it's also a family-owned store, and it is just a really nice atmosphere to be there. They let all their birds out to just chill and hang around all the people going to see them, and they get really socialized, and they are just a joy. It the whole store is a joy to be in, and it's also a joy to see all of their different birds. We actually went there to get Cora's, our severe macaw's nails cut because they were getting really long. And we didn't want to cut it ourselves because we didn't want her to get mad at us and then hold a grudge against us. So we decided to take her in to get it done by the people who work there. Also, we did indeed purchase our Kaik Castiel there, and we also purchased my husband's bird, Mila, the African gray, who only loves him because she chose him, as I have told that story before. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. And let's get to the video. Hi, Mike.
I'm gonna keep Daddy's things.
Izzy. Breakfast time.
Breakfast time.
Both the Beats to make toys come on Monday, Dad.
I think they'll be. Yeah, I think some will be here tomorrow.
Will both of them be here?
Poor baby. What is that thing that you put on her nails so they don't bleed or what?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Antiseptic. Yeah.
Huh? Oh, sorry. I thought you said.
Scanning.
Did you ever go to that store?
Not yet.
I was like, I don't see a possum.
Yeah.
I know, baby. I know. I know, baby.
They can rice. You pick the brown one, and pick the brown one.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Don't be cheating fly loud. She made us. I got a post one.
Hey, guys, can you watch the carrier for a second? Hi, guys. You guys, are you guys, he's watching Cora. Can you make sure that he didn't lose her place? No. Nate, move back. Honey, he's telling you to move back. So that was our past Sunday at our favorite bird store. Bird is the word. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am so grateful that you guys are here and for all the support. And if you liked or enjoyed this video in any way, please like, subscribe, comment, reach out. Again, I will be forever grateful, guys. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.